Well, good morning. This is probably my first video of my new channel, hopefully, which is called Rod Knock Garage. So I have a collection of cars which you're going to see today. It's early February and they're all going to get started and moved around. I've got a couple of garages around the side and a bit of a workshop area. The first one I'll probably get running this morning is my dad's car, which is a 1957 MG Magnet ZB, which me and a good friend of mine, Ben, breathed on. It is now running a 3.9 Rover V8 in it, with a 5-speed manual LT50. I can't remember now. It's from a Rover SD1 in it. Her name's Maggie. She's been in the family for over 30 years. She's an absolute darling. She wears all her age, and she's very popular at shows. And I will probably run around in her this weekend. So I'll get Maggie running this weekend. Then I've got a Mark 1 Ford Focus 1.6 Edge, red. He hasn't got a name, so I'll have to think on that. And my latest purchase is an 07 Transit Connect. It's an ex-John Lewis car, so it's been well maintained. Then it was owned by a decorator that didn't maintain it, so I've had to do quite a bit of work to it, but I think it'll turn into a good van. And last but not least, is my 1971 Checker Marathon, which I purchased a couple of years ago from California. She's going to be a tribute London taxi. Her name's Phoebe. She's a big old girl. There's going to be a lot of content on that. It's my dream car. I've owned lots of cars over the years, well over probably 50 cars now. I've had sports cars, TVRs, Astra GTEs, Dodge Daytona, all sorts of cars. But for some unknown reason, I always wanted a New York cab. So yeah, my dream car, believe it or not. So here we go. Hope you enjoy it. I definitely enjoy them, so come along with me, as they all say. Lovely. Enjoy.